Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. You have to start by open TOZO application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu, and right here you need to go to the settings at the right top. And at the first line we have touch controls. Tap at this line and now we can work with it. So for the single press for the left and right earbud we have plain pause, but we can select to something else. Let's say I wanna play previous track with single press, and on the right earbud I wanna play next track. For the double press I wanna with a left earbud I wanna activate voice assistant, and with a right earbud I wanna play next track. And for the triple press I wanna play previous track at the both of the earbuds, so I just select it. And we cannot change press and hold, so we have only volume control here, so the maximum is to just disable it if you want to by click no effect. Or just leave it. I like it, so I think. And we cannot set volume control for another gestures, so maybe we need to leave it. Now, if you don't like what you made, you can restore it to the default settings, but by press at the restore to default button. Tap on it, click yes, and if I return to the right earbud, as you can see, it also restored it for the right earbud, and we have it by default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.